Welcome back. Opening scene. The Lamborghini Miura is often hailed as one of the most important and iconic supercars in history. Introduced in 1966, it forever changed the way the automotive world viewed performance cars. With its groundbreaking mid-engine layout, aggressive styling, and mind-blowing performance, the Miura became the blueprint for modern supercars and is considered the car that started the era of high-performance, mid-engine sports cars. Under the hood of the Miura was a 3.9-liter V12 engine, producing 350 horsepower. This powerful engine, mounted transversely in the rear of the car, allowed the Miura to reach top speeds in excess of 170 miles per hour, an astonishing figure for the time. It was a massive leap forward in terms of both technology and speed. The Miura's power-to-weight ratio, combined with its handling capabilities, made it an absolute joy to drive, delivering an exhilarating driving experience that enthusiasts still rave about today. Designed by Marcello Gandini of the Italian design house Bertone, the Miura's styling was just as revolutionary as its performance. Its slow, wide stance, coupled with sweeping curves and sharp lines, made it an instant classic. The car's striking looks were enhanced by its bold, aggressive front end, complete with distinctive quad headlights. The Miura's design was not only about aesthetics but also aerodynamics, with every curve serving both functional and artistic purposes. Inside, the Miura offered a surprisingly minimalist yet luxurious cabin, with leather seats and a dashboard that focused on performance and simplicity. It wasn't a car meant for everyday comfort, but it certainly exuded the sense of occasion every time you got behind the wheel. What makes the Miura even more special is the fact that only 764 units were ever built, making it an extremely rare and valuable collector's item today. Over the years, the Miura has become a symbol of automotive excellence, inspiring countless car designers and manufacturers. It laid the groundwork for future Lamborghini models, including the Countach and the Aventador, which continue to carry the brand's legacy of performance and design. In conclusion, the Lamborghini Miura is more than just a supercar. It's a milestone in automotive history, a true game-changer that helped define what we consider the modern supercar. Even decades after its debut, the Miura remains a timeless classic, revered by car enthusiasts and collectors alike.